Sustainability. It's a problem engineers have had to work around for years. According to the Food and Agriculture Organization of the UN, the number of overfished stocks globally has tripled in half a century, and today fully 1/3 of the world's assessed fisheries are currently pushed beyond their biological limits. Additionally, according to the World Resources Institute, studies have shown that fertilizers are often applied in excess of crop needs. The excess nutrients are lost through volatilization, surface runoff, and leaching to groundwater. On average, about 20% of nitrogen fertilizer is lost through surface runoff or leaching into groundwater. Whether it's fertilizer runoff or overfishing, engineers' neglect for making sustainable food processes has had irreversible effects on the health of individuals and ecosystems. It's not easy to work around, but as engineers, we have to find a way to resolve any issue we're presented with.
The overuse of fertilizer is a prime example of an unsustainable agricultural practice and has led to countless environmental problems throughout the world. Fertilizer can run off into bodies of water, which result in toxic algal blooms that can pollute drinking water and have detrimental effects on the ecosystem we all live in. David Blairsch, a professor in ecological engineering at Auburn University, who has worked diligently to solve this problem over the last few years, has this to say about the issue.
The Environmental Protection Agency has created a great list about how we should approach this. Holistically use system analysis and integrate environmental impact assessment tools, conserve and improve natural ecosystems while protecting human health and well-being, using life cycle thinking in all engineering activities, ensure that all materials and energy inputs and outputs are inherently safe and non-cancerous as possible, minimize depletion of natural resources, and strive to prevent waste. If engineers keep these in mind whenever making products, it can easily achieve a higher standard of sustainability in our agricultural practices.
Sustainable agriculture engineering practices are important to everyone as we all need clean water to drink, nutritious food for energy, and a pollution-free environment to live in. If we keep these things in mind whenever we design whatever we work on as engineers, we can make the world a better place for our own health and the health of future generations.